I have
Okay, Harry
signed in
Potter.
from my
That
other
is
one.
why I request you all to please keep your proper. Know whom am I talking
No,
to?
ma'am, I have signed in from another account.
Okay, okay, fine, Aisha. That's okay. Okay, so I'm talking to all the new ones. Humaira Kasim. Humaira Kasim, Anisha Sheikh, Arfan, Arshad, and is many. So y'all want me to do a revision on magnetism, what we did in the all last sessions? Just start and quickly do a revision, okay? Yes? What is this stone known as? Ania? Okay, all the new ones, I want you all to answer
I'm
now. Okay?
Lodestone. Lodestone.
All which we have already done magnetism together. For example, Zuveria, Aisha Kazi, Aisha Aga, Umar. Allow the new ones to answer. Okay, so I'll come to know how much they have understood and how much they need a revision on it. Okay. So the first thing is, what is this stone known as? Ania? Can you hear me? Ania, Ania. Ania, can you hear me? I can't hear you, Ania. Please check your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now I can hear you. What is this stone known as?
Mm,
What is this stone known as? Humaira Kasim, tell me what is this stone known as? Screen on. Hamza, Arfan. Hi, Umar. Good morning. Umaira Kasim, can you tell me what is this stone known as? Umaira Kasim, can you hear me? Umaira Kasim, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, I'm asking you something, Dia. I'm asking you what is this stone known as?
the stone.
This black color stone, which you all can see here, a huge stone.
Yes.
What is this known as?
It's it's type of it's it's type of a magnet.
Yes. Nature. People came to know there is a huge stone which attracts object. So that is known as a magnet. But it has a name. That name is just that is lodestone. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the properties of
Ma'am,
a
this
magnet?
is not amber stone.
No, this is
Amber stone, when they are rubbed together, then only they attract a magnetic material, right?
yes. When you rub amber stone with each other, hot, and it gets a property of attracting few objects. But in case of magnet, it is not like that. Magnet has a natural property of attracting. Arfan, Arshad, turn your screen on. Area, please. Hamdan. Okay, now tell me the properties of magnet, Arshad. Can you tell me? Okay, Arshad and Arfan, this is your first class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arfan, you also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, welcome to the class, Arshad and Arfan. We were doing magnetism in our previous class and we have almost finished with the topic. So today we are just doing a revision. So you can just, if in case you all do not understand anything, at the end of the class, please let me know, okay?
Ma'am, can I say the properties of magnet?
Uh, yes, please.
They attract to iron, cobalt, nickel, and they have
Okay.
positive and negative side. Uh,
Uh-huh.
they have positive and negative side.
No, they have
They
South
have
Pole and
north
North
and
Pole.
south.
North and south pole, and
Okay.
they have,
Yes.
and inside the magnet it goes from uh, south to north, and outside it
These are
goes
the
from.
properties of magnetic field lines. Me now, Zaveria, these are the properties of field lines. But I am only asking you now, what are the properties of magnet? So the
Ma'am,
first
when
property, it
is tied
attracts.
to
When a magnet is north and north, they repel, and when it is north and south, they attract.
It is well
and
stated
ma'am,
how like poles will.
when a string is tied to the magnet, then the magnet can show us where is the north pole.
Absolutely. So these are the properties of magnet. Remember, so I will repeat. Now, magnet, especially Arfan and Arshad, please pay attention. Magnet, can you all see this huge stone? This was found in nature in Magnesia, later as lodestone. Okay. Now, what are the properties of this magnet? First thing, magnet attracts iron, nickel, cobalt, and steel. Second, like poles of the magnet will repel each other, unlike poles of the magnet will attract each other. Next, when you tie a magnet and through a thread and freely suspended in the air, it will automatically show you, it will north and south direction. So these are few properties of.
Ma'am, what are we going to learn today?
Today we will just discuss what I've prepared for you, to, Aisha. And today I'm going to wind up with this topic, magnetism. Okay. Okay, because we have Arshad and Arfan here, I will request Arshad and Arfan to play this video. 1 minute. Okay, now these are the types of magnet. This is an horseshoe magnet and this is a disc magnet. In the bar magnet, we can clearly see it is indicated by letter S and N, which is South Pole and North Pole. In the horseshoe, so S stands for South Pole and N stands for North Pole. And in the disc magnet, if one side is South Pole, when you flip the disc magnet, the other side is a North Pole. Now, these are the properties of magnet. Okay, we forgot one more important property. Poles will always exist in pairs. They cannot be more than two. example, if a magnet is broken into two pieces, for example, this bar magnet, so both the pieces will have north pole and south pole. Okay, if they are broken in two pieces, that does not mean that one piece will be considered as north pole and the other piece will be considered as south pole. No, both the pieces will have north pole and south pole. Next, what is this?
The Chinese invented the compass.
Yes, this was a compass which was used by Chinese in the ladle kind of thing. If you place it on this board, it is automatically going to show you the direction of north and south.
South.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the magnet?
No, the ladle is
The,
not a magnet.
so then how does it show?
Maybe the place where they keep it in the bottom, there is so that is why when you place it, it is automatically turning in the north and south direction. Very nice question, Aisha.
Ma'am, it is
Aisha,
Zaveria.
okay, I'm sorry, Zaveria, confused. I'm so sorry.
It's
Very
at
nice
Canada.
question, Zaveria. But still, we will find out whether this ladle is made up of magnet or no. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But making new compasses like you can see here. This thing, the red color thing, is made up of a magnet, so it is known as a magnetic needle. Okay. Let's quickly do this. What will the first one repel or attract?
Ripple.
Repel.
Second,
Repel.
No,
Attract.
attract. Attract.
third,
Attract.
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 Repel.
Repel.
and the last one.
Attract.
Okay, let me just try to put that video here. Give me 1 minute.
Which video?
I will put, just give me 1 minute. It's not playing, so I'll just insert it again. Just
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin. 5 plus 3. We can solve the problem by counting on. We
just give me a minute, okay? Here. Or and I.
Ma'am, you can share the link to someone else and they can show.
No, here it is. Just give me a minute. Can you all see the screen? Okay, here it
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
It is a very simple video. For especially Arfan, Ahad, please pay attention, okay? Arshad.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, now first thing, when he was pulling that string, the horseshoe string, why was it not getting separated from that bucket?
Because the top of it is magnet, so it is getting attracted.
Yes, because he had a horseshoe magnet with him. So maybe that bucket is made up of, we can say, steel or of such a metal that is getting attracted to magnet. Okay. And now he's putting that magnet inside the water. Let us see what happens. Ah. You all remember the very first and the second class, Zaveria, Hamza, Aisha, Kazi, Aisha on the map, a circle. And you know, I told you it is assumed that there is a magnet in the center of the earth and it is a bar magnet. The bar magnet faces to the north pole of the geographic pole. So that is what is explained here. So see carefully.
बाय हाय इधर ही अम्मा चले ना ना बाबू ना किधर कर रहे झगड़ा
अभी उसको आधा घंटा कुछ नहीं देने का
अत्ते नीर उंचूरू बच्चा
हाँ, हमने वॉल्यूम बट म्यूटेड
Understood? First, what he tried to show that magnet attracts few objects. Then when he put the magnet in the water, what did he observe? What did he observe? He observed that there are three friends. Who are those three friends?
Nick and Cobalt.
Okay, only Aisha Kasi can hear me. Only Aisha Kazi can.
Nickel, iron, and cobalt.
So as soon as when you put the positive magnet inside, what happens that they all are getting attracted to the magnet. See.
Hi, mommy.
Here they are showing the opposite poles attract and the like poles repel. Okay. See, as the sun will set, As the sun will set, the bar magnet will change its direction. See, can you all see that? Okay. How was the video? How was the video? You all liked it? Ones, Arshad and Arfan, Humaira and Ania. What did you all see in the
Humaira is
video?
old only. It is
I
not.
want to know. Ania, what did you see in the video and what did you understand? Please tell us. Arfan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you understand from the video? Can you please share that with us?
The
Mhm.
bar magnet will
Yes. All the new ones, Jumeira, Kasim, Ania, Arshan, Alia, you have just entered the class. It's already 11:32. Okay, who's this Shumaila Sheikh? Is it? I want all the new ones to answer. They know very well what it is. Arshad, what did you see in the video? Can you share with us?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you see in the video today?
Magnetism.
So what did you see actually? Magnet attracts which object? Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am.
There were, when the boy put the horseshoe magnet in the water, there were three friends, you know. They attracted the magnet. What was the name of the three objects? Can you tell us?
Cobalt ions.
Nickel, cobalt, and iron. Correct. Happened?
ma'am.
They attracted to the magnet. Ma'am.
They attracted to the magnet. Yes. And then, yes.
Ma'am, I will say in Hindi.
And they did not stay on the magnet.
Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a natural magnet? A natural magnet are the pieces
A
of
natural
lodestone found
magnet is
in
a lodestone.
yes,
Natural
nature.
magnets are magnets that are found in the nature.
Yes,
Example
and
of
it is first
lodestone.
known as an magnet, which is an iron ore of iron oxide. Now this is its formula. Okay. How will you test whether a given rod is made up of iron or copper? Suppose I give you all a rod and you all don't know. So how will you check that? To test whether the rod is made up of
Ma'am, you
iron.
can bring a magnet near it and see what if it attracts or repels.
Yes, that is what I will also here, Aisha. Simply place rods near a bar magnet. Iron rod gets magnetized when placed near magnet. Due to magnetic induction, copper rod does not get magnetized. This is an example of electromagnet also. That means if I place a bar magnet near the rod, automatically the rod will get magnetized and it may attract few steel clips or maybe say safety pins. So that is how we can make out that the rod is made of copper, because copper will not get magnetized. Okay. Explain what is electromagnet. When an electric through a coil of wire wrapped a metal core, a very strong magnetic field is produced. This is called electromagnet. In other words, the interaction between electricity and magnetism is known as electromagnet. Simple. When we had battery and when we had magnet with us, the iron nail, when we try to connect that magnet with electricity, that is what we were doing. Yes or no? Okay. Are
Yes.
everybody awake in my class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If I ask you all one line answer, what is electromagnet? So you all can just simply write the interaction between electricity and magnetism is known as electromagnet. But if it comes for more than 1 mark, then you all have to write this full answer. Okay. Now, how do electromagnets work? Zaveria,
It
read this
works
answer.
from Ma'am, it works from electricity.
Yes, Zaveria, can you read this? Okay, wait. I'm so sorry, Zaveria. Umar is quiet for a very long time. Can you read this? How do electromagnets work? Can you read this?
So only the video is there on your screen.
Yes, ma'am, the video is there.
You all can't see this question and
The,
answer?
vid-
Only
the
see
video is
magnetism
there.
on the screen.
1 minute, wait. Now,
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
And then share again.
okay, just give me a minute. Now,
Yes.
how do
Yes.
electromagnets work? And electricity is introduced.
Electricity introduced either from a battery or a source of electricity which flows through a wire. This creates a magnetic field around the coiled wire,
Coiled wire.
turning the metal into a magnet. Electromagnets are useful because you can turn the magnet on and off.
You'll find it difficult. I'll explain you what is there in the answer. Now, first thing, an electricity is introduced either from a battery or another source, electricity which flows through a wire. Remember, we had done electromagnet with the battery, copper wire, iron nail. So there the electricity was introduced. Yes or no? So because of that battery and the coiled wire means, we were taking turns of wire in the iron nail. So electricity was introduced electricity was passing through that wire. This creates a magnetic field around the coiled wire. That is why the metal and you can turn on and off means, for example, if you leave the magnet, if the copper wire is not connected to battery, will the electricity pass? No. So that means automatically now it can be known as non-magnetic. But as soon as if you connect the ends of the wire to the battery, it will again turn into a magnet because the iron pins, sorry, the steel pins were getting attracted. So you can turn off and on as and when you want. Okay, and now the diagram of electromagnet. This is a battery. These are the ends of the. Can you see these turns of wire here, Umar? Iron nail. Can you see the wires going round and round and round? That
Yes.
is known as coiled wire. Okay. This
Okay.
is an iron nail. The exam, if I tell you all, draw a simple electromagnet and name the parts. So instead of wire, if you all write copper wire, that would be much better. Okay. So we need a battery. This is an iron nail. This is a coiled wire. This is a copper wire, and yeah, that's it. Okay, I will add few more things and then I will discuss with doubts, sir. How can I share this notes with you all? Either in the Google Classroom or I will ask your email IDs from sir and I will mail it to you all. Discuss with sir, and if sir tells me, if he gives me a new topic, then we will start with a new topic on Friday. Oh, Friday is Christmas, I think. So we are not working on Friday. Okay. Okay, then enjoy. We will meet directly now on Tuesday for maths. Okay.
Ma'am, time is
Okay.
Yes, I'm going.
bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye,
I will
ma'am.
share these notes. Please refer these notes later. If you all have any problem, you all can, I will clear that any time. Okay. Bye.